Our managed service delivery is market leading, and we've developed a particularly proactive approach to servicing clients. From our operations centre, we remotely monitor every device at a client site. We track toner usage, we track the number of pages or images created, we track the capabilities of the device and that it's on the network. We can initiate preemptive fixes when we see the symptoms of a potential fault. Any form of fault that's related to the software will resolve remotely. Close to a third of all of those are remotely resolved instantaneously, getting the clients back up and running. Where an on-site response is required, our field engineers will go to the client site and resolve the fault. Over 300 field-based engineers, including walking engineers based in London, will attend client sites, fix the device there and then, and again get the client up and running. It's this combination of remote, proactive work and on-site field response by engineers that maximises the uptime of the technology we provide to our clients and helps clients optimise their performance.